What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another moto vlog. Woo! Damn. We are at my buddy Alex's. This is his private track. Oh man, I've been here before and I filmed videos of Alex ripping this place, but I've never rode here before, so I'm really stoked to learn a new track today. Private track at that. It's always cool to get an invite. Oh, I got that one. All the jumps here at my buddy's private track are all doubles. I rolled the track earlier. I walked the track earlier. When you walk the track, these jumps look crazy big. This double is massive. It's huge. They have no problems hitting these things, but I don't know if I'm going to hit these biggest ones. This one is a huge double. It's like a wall. Holy crap. I don't know if that's an on-off or you jump to the end of that. Woo! My buddies always make it look super easy. Just came out of the corner and seat bounce out. Oh, okay, that's a table. I like that. Okay, double. Yeah, 3 doubles in a row. I can do those. Got it. Yes, sir. Second, first lap. Oh! All right.
You just jumped those? Oh, D-Rock feeling spicy on second lap.
Alright, I wasn't ready for that one. I got that next time though. Oh, shit! Woo! Yo, we going down already?
She's slick!
Dude, it's really slick. Jumps like a piece of freaking cake. Nope, no way. God, that thing is so massive. Kyle's trying to lead me around the track a little bit. Trying to follow his speed. Whoa. Alright, see, he gave it a bunch of throttle at the end on that 350 and I paced it. There we go. Table's easy. Nope. Dude, I had it. I so had it. Why did I chicken out? Alright, that was probably the worst spot that I could land, so it only gets better. Dude, those doubles are so much fun!
Look at him!
We cased this one last lap. We got it this time. Sketch. Yes! Gotta just not think about it and hit it. Oh, dude, I'm so close. I've cased that like 3 times. Let's see you hit this booter, Kyle. Oh! The breakdown was sick.
Oh, yeah, setting them up. Oh, setting them up.
almost just got whiskey throttle there. Finally! Finally!
Yep. Oh yeah. About time he greased that thing. Oh, he's getting the flow now.
That's how I wanted to hit that corner. That was buttery. Oh yeah.
Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. You had it!
Finally!
Oh, he greased it.
Took me all damn day. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Let's go! Yeah. I don't know where these guys are hitting this table. Dude, they are motoing right now.
Oh yeah, buddy. I'm on you now. I'm coming for you. What? Oh, that was sick.
So normally I'm used to riding like pretty perfectly prepped motocross tracks. I'm not really used to riding these like backyard style unprepped. When we first got here, you couldn't even see the soil, it was all grass. So honestly, it's kind of an accomplishment in my books. Just for riding around this track and conquering a bunch of the doubles. I didn't conquer all of them. There's two big ones that they just like this big one just sketches the shit out of me. Too consequential, man. If I come up even the teeniest bit short or long on that, that's gonna hurt. But overall, for me, this is like a pretty sketchy style backyard track. I think I'm doing all right. Overcoming a bunch of fears, hitting some doubles. The soil is actually perfect on most of the track. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so there's some spots that are a little moist. For the most part, this track is like perfect. The soil, I can't believe how good it's turned out. It's a hard landing. I gotta yank seat bounce that one, dude. Oh my god, I cased that so hard. What the hell was I doing? Alright. I've come up short a couple times. I've come up long two or three times.
pull up on his inside. Spook him. Oh yeah. Let's see him rip the corner. Oh yeah!
Getting tired, riding really sketchy. Hitting all these corners so bad. Like that corner's so good. This rut is so good. Alright, now I'm finally greasing that one. God, I wish I had the confidence to try that. I've been afraid of this one all day. Finally hit it. Come on, hit this one. Ah, I almost lost the front. Finally got that one dialed in.
He's like, what is this jump? Oh, he's sketching hard in the helmet. I can hear him talking. He's like, what did I get myself into? What are these jumps so big for? I got this 250. I'm just not ready for these things. Like this one right here, it's huge. He was sketching about all these jumps. Jumped everything but the two big ones like second lap. And now he's ripping it. Yeah. Whoa. There's a car under there. That's just crazy. Scrub. Uh-oh, the peanut gallery. Should I throw her down? Woo. Little style. Oh shit! That was a hard landing right there. Woo! Get some speed up right here. Throw her down. That's what I'm talking about right here. Oh, what up, Derek? Oh, D-Rock.